Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to film today and I don't know why. My name's Carissa if you don't know me. In this video, I'm going to be going through an entire PR unboxing of Doll 10 Cosmetics, one of my favorite cosmetics brands. I'm so excited, so if you want to see that, then please keep watching.
In the calm fall air, and I think I'm changing back into someone I like to call myself.
What's up guys? Welcome back. I'm really excited to be filming today. I have my coffee mug. I don't know if you can read that. It says, I am a strong woman because a strong woman raised me. My mom got me this, so I'm feeling it. I love this cup.
Oh my god! Wow!
And it's true. I have a great relationship with Doll 10 Cosmetics because Doris Dalton, the owner and founder of Doll 10 Cosmetics, I used to work for at QVC. I was an on-air model. She is amazing. Her energy in person, honestly, one of the best women I've ever met in the cosmetics industry. So I am honored and just so excited to be on their PR list because I went to an event in New York City last summer, and after that event I somehow got on the PR list. I'm so lucky and I'm so excited. So let's see what they sent me in this round. I also use their cosmetics all the time in my tutorial videos. I will link the Hailey Bieber one here. I used pretty much all Doll 10 in that video, and I'm so excited to see what's new and what's happening. Okay, let's do it. I opened the box already. So this is normally what it comes in. It just says Doll 10. Oh. This is exactly, okay. Let me just start pulling stuff out before we get started. Can we also talk about how cute their packaging is? And every time they send a box, it has these beautiful little pink thingies inside, and then it's all laid out perfectly, and all their packaging is like a frosted pink and like a neutral pink kind of a tone. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so first things first, the number one thing I saw when I opened this box was this cosmetics bag. This is like the perfect size cosmetics bag. It's not too big and it's not too small, and when you open it up, it's huge. So, and I love that it's whatever this material is, so it doesn't get stained. Is there nothing worse than having a fabric cosmetics bag and all of your makeup gets on the outside and it just ends up looking like gross and dingy? No, I can't wait to switch all my stuff to this one, so that's first. Okay, let's just go through the products. Number one, Smooth Assist Restorative Sleep Treatment. Ooh, I don't have actually any skincare type items from them, so this will be a new one for me to try. Let me open this. So this is like a little skincare jar, and it looks like you put this on at night, like as a night cream. You just read a little bit about it. Intensely hydrating sleep treatment, floods skin with multi-layer hydration. We'll be reading more about this, and you guys know I love skincare, so actually really excited about that. That was like the last thing I was expecting to be in this box. Very cool. You guys don't understand how good Doll 10 lip products are. No. This one was on its own in that little cosmetics case, so we're gonna try it. Let's see, this is in shade Rose Brilliance in the Lip Brilliance lip gloss. Oh my god, it smells good. This is the only thing that I like fragrance in, lip products. So, you know, let me have my fragrance in one thing, people. Oh. Oh my god, it's like a... Wow. Oh my god, this might have replaced my favorite gloss. It just feels good. Smooth, not sticky at all. Oh my god, I need like every color in this. Obsessed. Sorry, my phone's still on. Okay, let's see what's next. Glam Goddess Face and Eye Palette. You guys know I love my Doll 10 palettes. And let me see here, let me get this out. Oh, I hate ruining the packaging. Does anyone else hate ruining the packaging when they buy stuff? I don't know why. I'm like, it's so expensive and so much time spent on it. Ooh. Okay, I like that this one says the name of the palette on it because a lot of my other ones don't. And I never know what to refer to them as when I'm filming. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys they are. Ooh, oh my god. The other thing I love about their palettes, they have these gigantic, like sturdy, amazing mirrors. So if you bring this on vacation, you don't need to worry about if there's gonna be a mirror. You can sit this up, and when you sit it up, it stays open no matter where you put it, like on a countertop. So you have a full-blown mirror to do your makeup in. Love that. It's a very expensive, really thought out detail that a lot of people overlook. And the colors, oh, they're like the perfect neutrals. And they're all girl names. I feel like cameras never do makeup palettes justice. I cannot wait to try this. Looks like a cheek, a highlighter, and then 9 shades for your lids. Let's just go through all the bigger palettes first, just to keep them kind of organized. The next one is the Doll Skin Complexion Enhancing Palette. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. I love a complexion palette. I feel like because then you can bring less stuff when you travel. Oh, again, amazing mirror on the inside and a full array of contour shades, cheek colors, highlighters, yellow tone for under the eye. Perfect face palette. Cannot wait to try this. And they're like good sizes. Each shade has a good amount of product in the pan. They're not too small. All I Need eyeliner collection. I love that you can buy all of the eyeliners in one little pop. Like, you know when you go to look at the eyeliners, you're like, oh, all these fun colors are cute, but like obviously I'm gonna invest in like the brown and black first. When you can buy the entire set, oh my god. Can we just talk about these colors really quickly? Hold on. This set of eyeliners has 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We have 8 shades in one box. You guys, are you seeing these colors? We have a dark brown referred to as Cocoa. I love the dark brown eyeliners from Doll 10. Oh, this is also one of my favorites. This is a brown color and it's more of like a bronzy. It's actually called bronze and it has like this bronzy has like a shimmer in it. And when you put it on your lid with brown eyes, it just really brings them out. There's a maroon shade referred to as Amethyst. I love that. It's like a purple. Then, oh my god, green. Is there anything better than green eyeliner when you have brown hair? I feel like it's so beautiful. And it's called Emerald. Black, just your classic black, referred to as Noir. Then we have a blue shade called Cobalt. Ugh, blue is amazing on everybody, especially I like blue on blondes. I also think, you know, everybody kind of looks good and everything. It's supposed to be the opposite. I think if you have blonde hair, you look good with brown eyeliner, but I actually love brown eyeliner on myself, so I don't know. And then these 2 off brown, blackish kind of shades. One's called Midnight Smoke and one's called Peridot. So they're kind of like still neutrals, just a little bit different. And that's all in one box, guys, all of these colors. Also, these I've used versions of their eyeliner before and they go on very easy. They have a pump to, you don't have to sharpen them. You just pump them up to keep the color coming out. Oh, Luxurious Lips Lip Wardrobe Collection. You guys know Doll 10 is my favorite lip products. Let's see what I got this time. Oh my god, I literally, my friends steal these from me. You guys don't understand. Like they steal all of my Doll 10 because, I'm gonna show you why. It is a twofer, okay? Not only do they have the best gloss in the world, they have the best lipstick in the world. And when you're faced with the decision of like, going to an expensive makeup counter and being like, do I want the lipstick or the gloss? You're gonna pick one usually. You're not gonna buy both, but you can get both. Look at these shades, you guys. I have LV, Pink Diamond, and this one's called Expensive. Okay, I kind of want to layer one on right now. I love to layer my lip products. I'm loving this brown. I'm gonna try this. So we have, let's put on lipstick. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. No. You guys, no. No. Her lip products are the best. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna get over it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
I'm gonna try the gloss. This too good. This too good. And they have like light scents. They're not overly fragranced. They're just like the right amount. So it doesn't smell like chemicals. It just smells pleasant. And I love that. These will definitely be getting a lot of use in my videos because I love a neutral lip, and they just make the best ones because it's like, you can see right here, right on camera. They're neutral, but they still are like a color. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, people will still ask you what you're wearing. Do you know what I mean? It's not too neutral. Ooh, I don't have any powders from Doll 10. Oh my God, I want to use this right now. Refocus HD Perfecting Powder. I don't know if this comes in a shade. Let's see. Also, another great mirror. There's a little cover on it to protect it, but man, the mirrors, you guys kill it with the packaging. It's just like sturdy, good packaging with amazing mirrors. So I'm not actually sure. This looks more, it says to brighten. Micro Pixel Blurring Powder works to brighten and reduce the appearance of uneven skin tones, large pores, redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. So it is like a pressed powder. I don't know why I thought it wasn't when I opened it, because it kind of has a peachy tone. Should we just try it right now, guys? I'm gonna take my Doll 10 number 7 dual-ended brush, the flat kabuki side. Let's try this. Oh, let me use my mirror. Ooh, hold on. Yes. Oh my God, I never use powders anymore and this is life-changing. Ugh. Especially when you're on camera, come on, come through. Yep, love this. This will definitely be coming with me everywhere now. Refocus Illuminating Powder. Okay, let's see. We have the Overachiever Precision Microblading Pencil in shade Dark Brown. I haven't used a pencil for my eyebrows in quite some time, so I'm definitely down to try it. Next time I do my makeup from scratch, I will definitely give this a shot. I used to love the one from Anastasia, and it looks very similar. Oh, we have a spoolie on one side. Yeah, very precision. I like that. That reminds me a lot of the Anastasia one. They sent a beauty sponge. I don't have any from them, so very excited to try this. Also, how cute is this light pink color? All mine are the ugliest colors, so I'm excited. And I also love, look how thin this end is with a flat edge. Ooh, that's gonna be good for like carving out my cheekbones. And then this has a pointy end, which I always love for in here. We got a brush, a Doll 10 number 12 brush. Looks like it's an all over face powder brush, which makes sense since they sent me the powder. Perfecting Treatment Powder. Ooh, I love how so many of their face products are also treatment products. So that is, to me, super important that you're getting some kind of benefit, because I'm like super into skincare and sometimes it kills me putting on makeup when I don't have to, like to film a video, because I'm like, I want my skin to breathe. But when it's makeup that has like double benefit, I'm all about it. Ooh, look at the inside. So it's plugged right now, so we can't get into it. It won't get everywhere. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God, that's genius. Okay, can I just tell you something about loose powders? Let me just show you something. I love a loose powder, right? Here is my Bare Minerals loose powder. Love this foundation powder. But when you open it, it's everywhere. It's all up in the lid. Every time I use it, I probably waste like a teaspoon, there it goes again, a teaspoon worth of product. Same with my Laura Mercier setting powder, which I love. This one, I've never seen this before ever on a powder. Open it up and it's closed. It's kind of like a spice, like one in your spice rack. Twist this and reveal where the powder comes out. Then you can put as much as you want in there, use it all up, and then close it. So every time you open it, there's not powder poofing everywhere. Really, that's super innovative. I've never seen that before. I'm excited to try this. I'll use this next time I do my makeup instead of the Laura Mercier, because I feel like it's a similar Perfecting Treatment Powder. I'm gonna have to look up more on this because I want to know what the treatment is. It doesn't say it on the actual product. 2 more things, guys. Oh, and they're the same thing. Oh my God. Doll 10 has amazing concealer. If you guys don't know, you have to learn this. And I don't think I've ever tried this concealer. Wait a minute. They sent me 2 shades. I've never tried this concealer. This is the TCE concealer from Doll Skin. They sent me light and light medium. Comes in a tube like this. Ooh, love that. And it has a metal applicator, which I think would be nice under the eyes. Probably feel really nice and cooling. Let me see what this is. This is light. That's the shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a good shade for me. That's a great shade for under my eye. I probably shouldn't put this on right now, but you know, YOLO. Oh, it's so nice. Just like, their concealers to me brighten on another level. I'm sorry, I don't have a mirror, so I'm just kind of like winging this. So I would use the lighter. Whoop, I'm sorry about that. My camera just overheated and died. I have this issue. It's very annoying. Sony a5100. Why? It doesn't only shoot for 20 minutes and then shuts off. Anyways, like I was saying, I will use the light color for under my eyes, which I did, and I'm literally obsessed. I cannot wait to do my full face with all Doll 10. And then I will use my light medium for, like, you know, just covering any blemishes or whatever. So that is the entire haul of the PR unboxing of my Doll 10 cosmetics. If you guys want to see me use these products, just watch my makeup tutorials. And the one I have right now where I use mostly Doll 10 is the Hailey Bieber one, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Doll 10, for always sending me the most amazing products. I appreciate it more than you know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!